The Gold Rush, a modern classic. Whiskey, honey, and lemon, balanced into something effortlessly smooth. Start with half a lemon. Slice it, then squeeze it straight into the shaker. Bright, fresh, the foundation of this drink. That fresh lemon juice is what gives this cocktail its lift. Now, 60 milliliters of whiskey, or bourbon if you prefer it smoother. Add a tablespoon of honey, natural sweetness that rounds everything out beautifully. Fill the shaker with ice right to the top. Seal it and shake hard. You want this fully chilled. Pack your glass with ice. A solid base keeps the drink cold longer. Strain the Gold Rush over the ice. Golden, smooth, inviting. If you're enjoying this one, like and subscribe. Finish with a lemon slice and a sprig of fresh mint. The Gold Rush. Warm, golden, and quietly sophisticated. A whiskey classic worth savoring slowly.